Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about iOS 17 public version successfully released. You can see appears on screen if you are iPhone user. So how to download iOS 17 public version successfully on your iPhone, you can see appears on screen. I am updating, you can see appears on screen. You take a more time, you can see appears on screen. It's a public version, not a beta version. You can see appears on screen. Guys, if we talk about his space, 5.81 GB take a space of your iPhone, so keep secure. First of all, delete photos and videos, extra photo and video from your iPhone, and clear memory for update iOS 17 update on your iPhone. You can see appears on screen. And guys, XR up to XR models of iPhone eligible for iOS 17 update. Guys, must be remembering during the download the iOS 17 software, must be charge your iPhone, and must be charging continue or of iPhone, because he take a more time. Guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.